Okay, we've been given a polynomial, but we don't know the powers, okay? But however, we have also been given the exact differential. So what I've got to do now is, rather than take an equation and differentiate it, I've got to think, well, I've got the differential, what would the original be? So let's just compare like for like, okay? X to the power of m has become 5x to the power of 4. And 7x to the power of n has become 21x squared. So we know when we differentiate, what I would have done is brought the power down and then knocked one off the power. So if I sort of compare the two, thinking about it algebraically, that would have been mx to the power of m minus 1. So that must mean then that if the power has just come down, that it was 5, okay? So let's just double check then. If I think that m is 5, when I differentiate that, yep, I get 5x to the power of 4. So good, m is 5. Now here then, I had 7x to the power of n, and I somehow differentiated it to get to this. So what I've seen is, if the power here is 2, then the original power must have been 1 higher. So let's just double check. What does happen if I think the original power was 1 higher, which would be 3? If I differentiate 7x cubed, I would see that I would times that by 3, which would be 21, which is what I've got, so that's good. And I would have knocked 1 off the power. 3 would have become 2. So yeah, n was 3 originally.